Attapon is a graduate in civil engineering, master degree in civil engineering, and at the moment it's working in the RMUTR, that is Ratchamongkol
Saraya.
Saraya. Can you start your presentation? Thank you.
Thank you for the introduction. Good afternoon. This topic, the study is a development of natural rubber concrete block for thermal insulation and energy saving purpose. In Thailand, the low thermal insulation properties of concrete block that is widely used in building construction increase the energy consumption by air conditioning. The objective of this study is to develop the strength and thermal insulation property of concrete block by blending concrete mixture with a texture with latex. The water absorption rate, compressive and bending strength and thermal conductivity is tested in order to assume the user of the concrete block. Pararubber is found in many regions in Thailand. Latex collection and processing is the major household industry, especially in southern and eastern parts of Thailand. Besides household industry, latex is also used a low material in production process of many productions, such as rubber for cloth and etc. The reason that we chose pararubber as a material for modifying the property of concrete block thermal insulation properties. Pararubber is widely grown in Thailand. Adding a pararubber in a concrete block is an intermediate technology that applied of Thai industry. This study compares two experiments. The first experiment is finding the optimum water cement ratio for mixing the concrete block in order to obtain the highest ultimate strength. The second experiment is finding the coefficient of thermal conductivity when varied in a pararubber concentration. Let's start with the first experiment. The Portland Cement Taiwan was mixing the cushion dust and tap water at the ratio of 1 to 4 and 0.25. After aging for 7 days, the concrete block were testing for compressive strength. The ultimate strength is on the concrete block, which has the water cement ratio 0.2, could not be measured. And this graph I want to show in that a concrete block which has a water cement ratio. The ratio at a 0.4 can give a higher ultimate strength, but however, a water cement ratio must be a 0.5 size. Thai standard for ultimate strength is only 88 KSC. KSC is mean kilogram per square centimeter. And concrete block with this water cement ratio is more easily to use in construction. And second experiment is finding the coefficients of thermal conductivity when vary the pararubber concentration. Pararubber is mixing with 15% liquid ammonia 3% by weight in order to preserve the latex and then tap water and non-ionic surfactant is added. Non-ionic surfactant performance as emulsifier of latex and water. The ratio ingredient of concrete box cement was assigned calcium dust was mixed with latex cement and ratio of 1 to 0 and 0.025 to 0.075. The amount of non-ionic surfactant that was added was 4% by weight of parallelepiped. The ratio by weight of each composition of the concrete block was conclusion and shown in the table. Cement and calcium dust was mixed in a mixing mill. 20% of tap water was added mixed for 2 minutes. Then add the latex and non-ionic surfactant. And the mix was molded by a pressing machine which used a lever arm shown in the picture. The concrete box was then add dye. The product is suitable for use and not different for conventional concrete box. Water absorption rate of the concrete box aging for 15 days was tested follow TIS. TIS is a Thailand industrial standard. Comprehensive stain of concrete box after aging of 7, 14 and 28 was also tested follow TIS. And bending strength of concrete blocks after aging 7, 14, 78 days was testing follow ASTM. ASTM is an American standard testing manual. And the coefficient of thermal conductivity was tested by using the specimen of concrete block. The example used for coefficient